Is your laptop feeling tired and slowly lately? Don't worry, you can fix it in seconds with this simple trick. So start by the summing the run command. Just hold down the window plus R key until that little dialog box pop-ups. Eager for instruction, type in MRT and hit enter. This unlocks a secret weapon, the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. It's a built-in digital janitor most people completely forget exists. Once the Windows greets you, click next to reveal your scanning option. You will see three choices: a quick scan, a full scan, and the customized scans. For the swift efficiency boosted, hit quick scan and click next. It will look for hidden junk and bad software that is dragging your systems down. Now grab a coffee and be patient. The tool needs a moment to do its heavy lifting depending on your system's clutter. This sends the tool on a hunt for the digital gremlins and malicious software. So once the scan finishes the search and destroy missions, give your computer a fresh restart. You will notice the lag has lifted and your laptop is finally back in the fast lane. You will notice it feels much smoother and faster immediately because it has removed malicious software.